Hello everyone, I'm Morena Alcala de la Cruz, working as a OFW for 16 years and currently based here at Spain. As a OFW, hindi po talaga sapat ang kinikita ko until nakita ko ang business opportunity na ito through social media at ang ganda ng sistema na maraming OFW na natutulungan. One of the main reason kung bakit ako nandito ay nagtiwala ako sa sarili ko at kay Coach JP Arellano na nakilala ko lang through Facebook na siyang tumutulong at tinuturuan ako kung paano gamitin ang Digital Master Online System. Thank you so much Coach JP Arellano because you show me the beauty of this company. I truly believe this will help to change my life na uuwi ako ng Pilipinas na may malaking ipon. To all my co-OFW all over the world, let's comment how at next ikaw naman ang tuturuan ni Coach JP dito sa aming community.